Nice to meet you. We welcome you to our production site. We offer to your attention the introductory briefing on labor protection. Briefing mandatory procedure is obligatory for all employees of our company and guests. This is the requirement of the Russian Federation legislation on labor protection. Our company is founded to manufacture chemical plant protection products in different formulations and for different purposes that can be divided into formulation, wettable powders, liquid formulations, emulsifiable concentrates, aqueous suspension concentrates, spectrum of effect, herbicides, fungicides, insecticides, etc. The Regional Center for Standardization and Metrology certifies the laboratory on a regular basis. The laboratory instrumentation allows for testing any preparative forms. Annual participation in focused educational programs at leading tertiary institutions helps to maintain high skills of the personnel. Cross-contamination, compliance with EU instructions on preventive mechanisms, specialization and separation of production lines for fungicides, insecticides, beetroots, spiked grasses and total herbicides. Total participation of company employees in preventive cross-contamination trainings. As active ingredients for products manufacture, we use harmful chemicals of second or third class of danger. These chemicals can cause adverse effects on the human body and cause irritation of the respiratory system, eyes and skin. In cases of elevated concentrations of chemicals in the working area and prolonged contact with them, chemical burns and poisoning is possible. To protect workers from the harmful effects of chemicals, all working personnel of our company is provided with necessary remedies. For skin protection, special clothes and footwear. Respiratory protection is assured by 3M panoramic masks with removable filter elements of different brands, as well as by 3M half masks and respirators. For hands protection, we use acid-alkali-proof mittens and gloves, cotton and anatomical gloves. Depending on the nature and severity of the work, protective suits L1 can be used. In case of contact zone gassed, all persons must immediately leave it wearing mask or, in extreme cases, covering your mouth and nose with any piece of cloth, handkerchief, bandage, etc., better dipped in water. When you exit the polluted zone, it is necessary to go across the gas flow direction, that is, transversely to the direction of the wind, to move as quickly as possible, firmly following the chosen direction. It is prohibited to bring to industrial premises cigarettes, chewing gum, cell phones, as well as to smoke or eat. It is prohibited also to be in industrial premises without protection remedies. For the above procedures, there are special places. Working staff eats in the canteen, located outside the plant. Upon completion of work, all workers must take a shower. The plant has storage facilities on its territory, which can be entered only by storekeepers and stacker, who carry about products on the shelves. Our company refers to the hazardous production facilities. Control of the production activities on the enterprise is carried out by the State Labor Inspectorate, the Rostechnadzor, the Center of Health Surveillance, the Fire Department, the Civil Defense and Emergency Department, the National Center for Environmental Protection. The unauthorized intrusion is prevented in our company by throughput mode. The territory is protected by the company's employees and specialized organization. The plant territory and its premises are under video surveillance. During the whole time spent in the industrial area, helmet must be used. When moving through the plant, use pedestrian walkways and paths. During the evacuation, follow the signs. Unauthorized use of proprietary information of the plant is prohibited. Visits for guests to the plant are possible only with remedies and accompanied by a representative of the company's management or the person in charge. Finding guests unaccompanied is strictly prohibited. Thank you for having listened to an introductory briefing. We are glad that you visited our factory.